Good day, my good friends. In this video I will show you some functions in the AE1500W that is actually not a secret, but not many people know. First is the LCD check, and to do that we can press 3 buttons at the same time. This one, adjust, mode, and start. So it will shows all the LCD segment like this. And yeah, we can press the mode button again. It will shows the module code. And then again it shows all the segment like this. You can see here we have auto repeat, this small segment here, and then snooze and bell for the chime and so on. And then press the mode again, and now it returns to the timekeeping mode. Okay, the next thing that I want to show you is that if we press and hold the mode button, we will return to the timekeeping mode. So for example, if we are in the alarm mode, we press and hold this one, the mode button, then we are returned to the timekeeping. Also, maybe for example, if we are using the timer mode and then we want to return to timekeeping mode, we don't have to press many times, just press and hold, and it returns to the timekeeping mode. The next one is for the countdown timer. This watch also provides the auto repeat countdown timer, and to activate that, first we have to move to the timer mode, and then after that press the adjust button, press and hold. Okay, and then to activate the auto repeat, press the light button. As you can see, here's a small icon shown, a.rpt. Wait, let me zoom. Okay, done. And then we can press adjust button to return to the timer mode, and then again we can press and hold the mode button to return to the timekeeping. There are two things that I still haven't found with this watch, and that is the mute or the silent mode, and also how to set up the backlight length. It is available in many Casio model, but I cannot find the menu in this watch, and also I cannot find in the manual. So anyway, if you know that there is any, which I'm not too optimistic about that, if you know there's any of that function, please let us know in the comment below. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video. Bye.